Good evening, everyone. So I'm here with you today to walk you through the simple geothermal project that I've created. So without further ado, let's start this discussion. So there are a lot of geothermal power plants around the world that uses five major processes that turns underground water into the electricity that we use. The first stage or the first step is the convection and conduction process. So there are magma underground, and the magma heats the rocks above them, and then the heated rocks will heat the water above them, and the heated or the boiled water will flow into the tubes that will lead us to our second stage, which is the steam separator. So judging by the term itself, steam separator separates heat or steam from the hot water that flows into these tubes. So the steam will be used to power the turbine and the generator. Going back, the hot water that is left from the separation will flow into these tubes into the cooling tower. So that cooling tower will cool the hot water and inject them back underground. So our generator, which is being powered by the turbine, will generate electricity and distribute them through these cables, which will go into the electric transmission tower, which is our fifth stage. So in the fifth stage, which is the electric transmission tower, will distribute the electricity generated by the generator into our homes, buildings, and etc. So that's it. I hope I have a clear explanation of the five major steps and the components of a geothermal power plant. So the first step is the convection and conduction process. The second stage is the steam separation. The third is the powering of the turbines and the generator. The fourth is the cooling tower. And the fifth is the transmission or the distribution of the electricity. So that's all for today's video, and I hope I have clear explanation of the geothermal power plant.